Obwo hawire hubwire bucabahekera ba Allied Democratic Forces bamazire kutahirira ishomero rya Mponde Rubiraha bakasiga bitabeje bishomerera hamwe n'abatura omukire cyabo shesherizo harisha hankitano zekiro bagaruka batahirira umwanyanugo gumwe.
It was at night around 11 p.m. that we were sleeping. We had some serious gunshots where we could not tell that they are being shot from where and who is shooting. But at night we woke up and listened carefully. Really it was some gunshots on a serious note.
Lieutenant Joe Warsimbi or RDC wa Kasese hamema koraga ngukonka abatura bakoze no mu mwamani okumanyisa bebyo kwerinda.
Find people we are very vigilant, which I'm very happy of. Because this is the gospel I've been preaching to wananchi, to be vigilant, to save their lives so that everybody live in peace. And I'm happy that they are vigilant, and I'm happy that UPDF was more alert.
Lieutenant Warsimbi na injira ngo abahekera babiri bizire kutwara imbazi babiri bamara kuteka marwaro.
According to the investigations of the Bataka and the intelligence, because they knew that they have supplied drugs in the nearby health facility, so they were targeting those drugs and at least to go away with doctors because they don't have any doctor, and now they have been badly hit in DRC, so they are now looking for anything which can assist them to survive.
Okurigira hebe byo kwerinda nubagira ngo abahekera bari kuteberezwa kuba babiri bari nka batano babasa kuba basigira mu Uganda.
According to the reports we get from Bataka, they suspected some of them, like number in 5, have merited within the community. So that's our humble request. Requesting them to go and hunt them wherever they are and then report to the authorities that it may be worked on.
Cyahamvwa ngo tine mutura wena otirwisasi Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.